Hey YouTube, it's your girl Asian and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be trying Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls on my curly hair. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, stay tuned until the end of today's video. Go ahead and follow my social medias. I'm going to put them on the screen and then we're going to get straight into the video. Alrighty, so I am going to go ahead and start off with freshly washed hair, and I did double cleanse, so that means I did shampoo twice, and then I did go ahead and continue to condition my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and basically just detangle my hair, get rid of all of those unwanted knots and whatnot before we get into the actual styling and doing my hair. Now since I did put my hair up in the towel did soak up a lot of that water and moisture from my hair. So I am going to go ahead and use this spray bottle with water in it and spray that into my hair to basically get my hair back wet instead of being dry and damp. Now, as you guys know, we are going to be using Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls today on my hair. Now, I have never used this product before, so I am definitely excited to see how my curls are going to react to it. But I am going to go ahead and start off with sectioning off the bottom part of my hair. And then I did go ahead and pin up the rest of my hair so that it is out of the way. But we're going to go ahead and start off with the back section. I'm going to split them in two. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush them out a little bit to get rid of those knots and to spread that water and make sure it's distributed evenly. And now I'm going to proceed with using that product. So I did take a small amount of it and I'm just going to apply that to the section of my hair. I do like to make sure to apply any product that I add to my roots, the mid shafts, as well as the ends of my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and split that section into two. That way we can start defining my curls. And then I proceeded with using the Viral Curl Bounce brush to basically define my hair and get my curls looking juicier and defined. So I did take the brush and I brushed my hair in an upwards motion to promote volume at the roots while the ends clumped up. Now with my curls clumped up, I did go ahead and I scrunched my hair to get those curls back popping and to get my curl pattern back alive. Now you can definitely see the difference between the left and the right side, which is why I love to use this brush, and it is on my Amazon storefront, which is linked down below in the description box if you guys wanted to purchase this item. And now I'm going to proceed with doing the other side, so applying that product through, making sure to get those baby hairs as well, the roots, the mid shafts, as well as the ends. And then I split that same section of hair into two, and then I started using the defining brush once more on the other side. Of course, after using the brush, I did go ahead and I scrunched my hair and then I parted off a new section. Now I'm basically going to be repeating the same process for the rest of my hair, which is taking a section, applying the product throughout that same section, using the brush in an upwards motion while applying pressure when dragging the brush down, and then finally scrunching my hair to get those curls to clump up. Now with the top part of my head, it is a little bit different. So I went ahead and I added some of that product to the whole top section of my hair, making sure to get that product distributed evenly. Now I'm going to be doing the exact same technique as I did for the left and right sides of my hair like before. So I'm going to go ahead and take out a section from the back and brush my hair from the roots going backwards so that I get a lot of volume at the top, and so my middle part is not as prominent. And then I'm going to be repeating this process for the whole top of my hair up until I get to my bangs. Now as far as my bangs, I do like to finger coil them instead of using the brush so that I can get some really curly pieces in the front. Next, I'm going to be using this Aussie Scrunch Mousse, which was super cheap and can also be found on my Amazon storefront, which is linked down below in the description box. So I did apply a lot of mousse to my curls and I scrunched that into my roots as well as my ends. Next, I'm going to be taking my Dyson diffuser on speed 2, heat 2 to dry and diffuse my curls. Now I'm going to be very gentle during this process. I'm going in an upwards and downwards motion, basically cupping my curls until they start to dry a bit. And then you're going to see me hover over my roots, which is to get my roots to dry a little bit faster and also to promote volume at the top. Now after my roots and my hair has dried up a little bit, I like to go ahead and flip my head upside down and diffuse my hair up until it is 100% dry. And after a long wait, my hair is dry, so I like to go ahead and use this Jamaican black castor oil and the coconut scent and apply that to my roots. This is to promote hair growth as well as keep my scalp oiled up and not dry. Next, I'm going to be using this other oil for the mids and ends of my hair. I like to use this oil because it makes my hair smell really, really good.
I love you.
Now for the last and final thing, I like to go ahead and use a hair pick to pick out my hair. This is really just for volume purposes only. I do like my hair to be big and bold, so if you like your hair to be big as well, definitely do not skip this process. But this is going to be the final result of today's video of me using Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls on my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All of the products that I did use in today's video will be found on my Amazon storefront, which is linked down below in the description box. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to follow my social medias. I'm going to put them on the screen. And then I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!